Hello, I'm Thomas, a Group Atlantic technician. Today, I'm going to show you which components should be checked if your flat water heater is tripping the 30 milliampere residual current device. Before starting, make sure your water heater has been installed in accordance with the installation recommendations. Ensure the power supply is switched off and wear protective gloves to avoid any risk of electric shock or burns. To work safely, make sure you have the following tools: a screwdriver set, a voltage tester, a cloth or bottle brush, and a pair of gloves. Switch off the power supply at the electrical panel by turning off the water heater circuit breaker. Make sure nobody can operate the electrical panel while you are working on the water heater. Remove the water heater cover to gain access to the internal components. Use the voltage tester before touching any internal parts. A useful tip: take a picture of the installation before starting. It may help during reassembly if needed. To remove the heating element, disconnect it from the electronic board. Then unscrew the retaining bracket screw and carefully remove the heating element. Warning: the heating element may still be hot. Inspect the heating element carefully. It must not be broken and the filament must not be damaged. The filament must also remain correctly positioned inside its housing. If the heating element is damaged, replace it. Clean the inside of the heating chamber using the cloth or bottle brush to remove any limescale residue. Make sure the inside of the heating chamber is completely dry. If it is not dry, the heating chamber must be replaced. Refit the heating element into the heating chamber and tighten the retaining bracket screw. If necessary, refer to the picture taken before disassembly to reconnect the wires correctly. Make sure the cables are not touching the heating element in order to avoid any risk of short circuit or overheating. Repeat the operation if the water heater is fitted with two heating elements. Refit the cover and switch the water heater back on. You now know which components should be checked if your flat water heater trips the 30 milliampere residual current device.